Hi there! In this video, we'll learn how to hide the default review feedback in your final quiz using Articulate Storyline. This technique will give you greater control over the feedback process, allowing you to provide more customized professional feedback. Let's get started! First, open your quiz slide in Articulate Storyline. Navigate to the slide where you want to customize the feedback. Next, click on the Form View button above the trigger panel to open the question editor. Scroll down to the Post-Quiz Review field at the bottom of the question editor. Enter some text here to create a new review layer. Switch to Slide View to see the newly created review layer. Here, you can hide the default feedback elements. Go to the Triggers panel and add a new trigger. Select Execute JavaScript and paste the given code into the editor. To set the display property of the feedback text to None. Finally, save your changes and preview the quiz to ensure the default feedback is hidden. And that's it! You've successfully hidden the default review feedback in Articulate Storyline using JavaScript. Thanks for watching.